Sheikh.
I'm gonna show you.
If you want to stand.
Are you bulking?
What is that?
Bro, you're eating and go gym.
Yeah!
Bismillah Allah.
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Ah!
There you go.
You got a chance.
Concentrate.
When you're ready, you can go.
What happened? Oh! Hold up, man. You have to hit the Bismillah. I was sick. Yeah! Oh! She knows the techniques. Oh! Good hit. Miss. Yes! No! No. You're doing your own stuff. How was that lucky from? Yes! Oh. If he's gonna be so easy. Oh. No way. Oh! That's a lucky shot, man. Bro, be quiet, you're such a hater, man. Stay on the losing side. Look at him, man. Get it, come on, man. End it. Allah. Oh! That's my first one, you know. Oh! You have to get it. Oh!
But we are not going to the end, are you on? Come on, do groups of exclusive food.
Right, team, come down. That's it, boys.
Come on, boys! Come on, ow!
Took off his safety kit and he's gone. So,
Yeah, I think I saw him getting this stuff.
oh,
This guy's gonna fall, I swear.
You got it, Abdurrahman. If you fall, it's okay.
I'm not out.
Tell you what.
If I do it like nearly a step.
Good job, Abdurrahman. Well done.
What?
You stop dancing.
Where
are you going? Right,
I'm not good at balancing.
You're just going to go on YouTube, yeah?
How was it?
Come on.
Right, head over to the right.
Swallow it.
Oh, it's way too easy for him now.
Good shot. Can you do the final bit? Oh, we good. We just started.
Yeah, get this one, get this one.
Yo, I'm in the deep drive, man. Why have you got two? I got it. Man. Don't worry about it. Hello! What are you doing? Chill out! Come on! Let's go! Oh, shit. He died for that walk! It's like a rodeo! Look at these guys! Look at these guys! He's done it! He's done it! Good. Yo. Oh, is that
Yeah, they're getting attacked hard, look at them.
Go on, lad.
Come on, you got this. Balance.
You're not using the top green one.
Who's up next?
Bro, nobody else. Go on. Go on, lad.
Crazy.
Ooh, that next one's hard.
Yes. 10 points.
He's learning from the master, yeah?
Bro, come on, man.
I can't.
Oh.
Come on. We can go all day.
You look like you made it.
That's a dirty one.
Well done, bro.
Well done, Rahman. Well done.
Go forward, man.
Go in and let me go, fam.
You're not supposed to collect the rope.
Right.
Just Keith. That's just Keith. That's salad. Tuna, sausage, egg mayonnaise.
There's something that distinguishes us. Is it the way we dress, for example? Is it what we eat? Is it how we walk? What is it that distinguishes us to say this is Muslim? What is the biggest thing to distinguish you? What did he say? Worship, ibadah. Why? What is it exactly that we worship? Who? Allah alone. If everyone on the world was to stop worshipping Allah, he would not harm Allah.
Have you got everything to talk about?
Are you African or Asian? You only got this. No, you've only got these choices. African. No, you have to choose.
Khalid is not.
So that. Okay.
I'm going after you. Wow. Thank you.
Look at that guy. Oh, you alright?
Get the ball!
Push!
I think the line in bed.
Oh, I need to go for that too.
Use two fingers. And then let go when you use 2 fingers and then in the middle of them 2 fingers.
Did you get a video of him falling in? Youngest to oldest.
Alright, youngest to oldest.
Come on. You can bring it out.
Keep it fresh, bro. You take a picture of me, taking a picture of them. Bro. Take a picture of them.
Right back inside.
Okay.
Whoa! Well done for first time. You did well. Well done, Zaki. Well done. It's hard. Well done.
He's the winner. He's the winner, like you.
Don't fire yet. Don't fire yet. Oh, that was actually good. Concentrate.
Ferris, pull out 2 fingers. Ferris, okay, now pull.
Don't let go. Don't let go. Look, you have to hold it right back where
No, keep on pulling.
You need to take his autograph. It's that way around. Who is this? Young man here, Musa. Young man. Say hello to the mayor. Awesome. You don't see that very often. You don't see that very often. Okay. The hard part's doing it again now. How many have you got?
3. You guys.
Come on.
Right then, now.
Come on, go.
Is anything like cookies?
Don't shoot the camera.
I can understand your pause. You're moving left and right.
This is my first time I'm doing it.
In a big turn.
This Jordan's got.
Wait, it's not together.
Good. It's alright, it's alright. You're improving.
Oh my god, don't take pictures now.
I'm only joking.
Don't record it, don't post on YouTube.
Say subscribe to our YouTube.
Subscribe to nobody.
Hi.
Like and subscribe to Rahmah TV.